Hi, everybody. Professor Bedelou with one final motivational message for the semester. Your Unit 5 due date, important, that's coming up, your remaining Unit 5 due date is your Unit 5 in Telepath is due tomorrow, June 18th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I just wanted to say, you have until Thursday to turn in any outstanding work. Those of you that have Unit 2 discussion board original posts outstanding or Unit 4 discussion board original posts outstanding, please get that in. And be mindful with your missing discussion boards that the only thing that is accepted at this time is your original post. But please get those in so you get as many points as possible towards those two incredibly important assignments. And also you can complete any of the extra credit and tinker with any of the IntelliPath up and into Thursday. Thursday is the last day student work will be accepted because it's the last day of the semester. I just want to reiterate, it's been such an honor and pleasure to have been your instructor these past 5.5 weeks. And I wish you nothing but the best in pursuing your degree and your career goals. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and get those assignments in, and best wishes for the future to all of you.